The question is, there is a capillary tube of radius r which is immersed in water, then water will rise up to height h and mass of water in capillary will be 5g. If another capillary tube of radius 2r will be immersed in water, how much mass of water will rise in this tube? Okay, so we have formula for capillary rise, and that is h equals to 2t cos theta upon rho r and g. In this case, 2 is constant, angle is constant, tension is constant, density is constant, acceleration due to gravity is constant. So therefore, you can say that h is inversely proportional to r. Therefore, we can also say that h1 upon h2 equals to r2 upon r1. The second capillary is having radius of 2r. So h1 upon h2 will be 2. That means the value of h2 will be half of h1. Okay, now we have to find what the mass. We know the formula for mass. Mass equals to volume into density. What is volume? Volume is pi r square h into g multiplied by what is density? Density is rho. So mass will be m1 upon m2 equals to pi r square h g into rho upon pi r square h g into rho. This will be rho 1, this will be rho 2, this one will be h1, this one will be h2, this one will be r1, this one will be r2. Now from this case, I'll cancel pi pi, I'll cancel g g. Okay, even density will be same. Rho and rho 1 and rho 2 will be same, and I am cancelling it. So here what you will get value as r1 upon r2 square multiplied by h1 upon h2, and here it will be m1 upon m2. So therefore, what is m1? m1 is mass, which is 5g, and m2 we have to find r1 upon r2. r1 is r1, r2 is 2r1, correct? Square multiply by the ratio of h1 upon h2 is what? It is 2. So therefore, I'll say that m2, sorry, 5g upon m2 equals to 1 upon 2 square multiplied by 2. So therefore, this one will be 2 ones are 2 twos are. So I'll get 5g upon m2 equals to only 1 upon 2. I want value of m2, so m2 will be equal to 5g upon 2. 5g upon 2 means 2.5g. So the correct answer will be option C.